Good morning, Cambridge class. This week we're going to be looking at Roman numerals. I will give you the chance to try each of the activities. All you'll need to do is pause the video when I ask you to. So we know that Roman numerals are a way of representing numbers. What we need to do here is identify the number that is represented by each Roman numeral. So if we start with the first one, I can see V and an I. V is worth 5 and I is one before 5. I'm going to remind you of other Roman numerals that you might need. X is 10, L is 50 and C is 100. Pause the video and see if you can work out what numbers I have represented. So here I have V, which is 5. This is one before V, and this is one after V. So my numbers are 4, 5, and 6. Here I have X, which is 10. This is one before 10, this is one after 10. So my numbers are 9, 10, and 11. Here I have L. L is 50. This is 10 before 50. This is 10 after 50. So my numbers are 40, 50, and 60. Here I have C. C is worth 100. Here I have 10 before C, and here I have 10 after C. So my numbers are 90, 100, and 110. Have a look at these numbers. See if you can write the Roman numeral for each of these numbers. Pause the video and have a go. Did you remember that D is worth 500 and M is worth 1000? So here I would have D, 500. And here I would have C, D, 100 before 500. And so here I would have DC, and that is 100 after 500. I'm going to start in the middle again because I know that M is 1000. And so here I've got 900, which is 100 before 1000. Here I've got 1100, which is 100 after 1000. This week we have to remember that V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. Let's see if you can have a go at completing this table. Remember, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, and M is 1000. Pause the video and try the table. So here we have 2x, which is 2 tens. Here we have 30, which is 3 x's. Here we have 10 before 50, which is 40, and we have 50. So here I will need 50 and 10 more. Here I've got 50 and 20 more, which is 70. Here I will need 50 and 3 tens. Here I've got 90, which is 10 before 100. Here I will need 100, and here 200. 400 is 100 before 500, and D is 500. 700 is 500 and 2 more hundreds. I've got 500 and 3 more hundreds, which gives me 80. And here I have 900, which is 100 before 1,000. Did you get them? We know that M is 1,000. What year is shown at the end of the film? Pause the video and have a go. M is 1,000. I have another M, which is another 1,000. I have 10, and I have 2. So the year is 2012. This is the last activity for today. Each diagram shows a number in digits, words, and Roman numerals. Complete the diagrams. Remember, we know that 500 is D, 1,000 is M. Pause the video and have a go. Here's a little reminder if you weren't sure. Here I have 500. Here I have 1,000. And in words, that's going to look like 1,000. Here I have 3 hundreds and 2 ones. So I have 302. And in words, it should say 302. Tomorrow, we'll carry on looking at Roman numerals.